I got one more in the front.
What does it mean to you to reunite with Christopher Nolan after 10 years?
I mean, it's the absolute best. I mean, making Inception was such a dream, pardon the pun, and to get to have this experience again and now and be a part of this epic film is all you could ask for.
Speaking of an epic film, we watched it together, Jordan and I, at the theater, and when you came on, I got chills. What was it like for you to see yourself in that film for the first time?
Gosh, well, I mean, I guess it was just, getting to watch this whole film with this extraordinary cast that had an unbelievable crew that made this possible, and the vision and the focus and ambition of Chris Nolan, and I mean, really, it's just a joy to get to be a part of it.
It's so crazy because everyone is singing Chris's praises. As a director, as a leader, what's been your greatest experience with him, or something that you took from him?
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever it is.
You know, I think it's just Chris's presence on set, and I think others have said this, and I'll say it too. Like, of course, you know the science, you know how much it matters, but when you're actually on set, you feel like you're making an independent film, and you're working with a director who cares about getting the best shot and telling the best story possible. And it's not about other silly stuff that sometimes people can make things about. And I think it's that drive and that creative vision that is just unparalleled. Yeah.
I bet you must get the same nerves that you got the first time that you worked on Inception with him. Were they there the first day that you stepped on this set?
Yeah, but they're the good nerves, the exhilarating nerves. It's the being challenged. It's the
Alright.
on your feet and
No
just
receipt
going and
inside.
going and going. And
No receipt?
it's been,
No receipt.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to work with Chris.
You give me the receipt next time?
Thank you so much, and congratulations.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself in there. This is phenomenal. This is incredible.
It's a pretty
And I don't want to give it away, but this man's storyline
Hi.
is one of the greatest.
All right, thanks. Okay, yeah, thank you. This was, I don't know the exact date, but it had been raining a lot, and I guess they couldn't give me a receipt. I usually get a receipt. I got it the next week. This was aluminum rim returns. I do a lot of roadside assistance, and people have damaged rims that are aluminum, and you really can't fix them, so I recycle them. I usually get about $30 a rim, I don't know, something like that, depending on the size. So got another one here that's a different date. I'll update you with the audio. $101, another happy customer. Me. Going to go to the metal recycling yard. It's called Fortran Scrap. I'm approaching it now. We'll be there momentarily. Entering the recycling yard. This is the entrance. They got a lot of shit they're doing right now. Alright, that's the office. Come here at least once a week. Well, usually. Okay. This is aluminum. I'm going to show you how I know. So I've got a magnet here, and magnet does not stick to aluminum. That's what I show them. I stuck it on my car and it sticks. It's that blue thing up there. And then I'm pointing at it. And then I try to stick it on the rim and it doesn't stick, but it sticks to my car.
It's aluminum. This is aluminum.
It's a temporary rim, but they're still aluminum. You can tell. See how shiny and nice it is? And also the inside looks different on the bottom. They told me a week earlier.
have more usually.
They told me a week earlier it was steel, which is only like 5 cents a pound, and aluminum's like 90 cents a pound. So big difference. All right.
Over there is where I have my batteries. I had a shitload of batteries the first time I ever came. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 56 pounds.
I'm going to put my magnetic light, which has a magnet on it, back in my truck, so I need it for next time. Then I'm going to go back to the scale.
I took a picture of my ID, I signed some tablet, and I'm going to the office to get my money. How you doing?
He's telling me to put my thumbprint on there.
Thank you. See you another time. That's my receipt for $66 for those 2 rims, which is correct.